Hello guys, so today I am going to show how to make bulk WhatsApp messaging that should be customized to everyone. Like you can say hello Mr. Chandan and the below content will be there. So what information do you need from in Excel sheet? Just make one Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet you can see this is your serial number, this is the person name, this is the mobile number, this is the one common link, and this is the one formula link. I will share this link with you so that you can send a message according to that. So what you need to have, I will also put some message here so you can use that message also. Suppose that I am putting here this message, so you need to prepare the content of the message. So this is the message. I made a copy and pasted on this section. Okay. Okay, and I will make this. I will not put this long message. This is a small message. Okay. Yeah. So what you need to do, I will fix the first row so you can be always see what is happening and which row or column I'm doing. So you're good. So this is a name, mobile number, WhatsApp mainly. So first I need to do. So suppose that this is the things should be. You can watch here what I'm writing. So this is the WhatsApp wa.me /919208336753. So this is the thing, and text equal to, suppose that I will write here hello Mr. Chandan. Okay, but I will tell you in a space they are not counting. So where a space has put, you need to put here %20 in every space. %20. So this is the text. So I will make a copy of this one and I will paste into a dummy WhatsApp number. I will choose any of number. Okay, suppose that you have to make any group where you will be only in that group. So suppose that this is the group. So I will put here the link, paste it here. So when I will to put click on that link, what happened, it will send message to that person, and in border here is written hello Mr. Chandan. The %20 symbol is automatically get removed and I will have to put enter and send. But I have to put another message here. So what I need to mean your main body message. So what you need to do, you have to make a copy of that message. So what message I have to copy make? So suppose that this is the message. So I will make copy this cell, but this cell will not take any Excel sheet. So I have to copy the text only. So you have to make this copy text in one notepad or somewhere, and I have to send this message. This message went. I will show you the some numbers. So how have to make. So what I will do, so I have to, you have to prepare the all the number and name in this format. So how you will prepare, by automatically will. So suppose that here I will show you Rahul. You have to put the country code. You don't need to put here. You have to put code. So I miss the country code here. You have to put the number with country code. So I have to put here Deepak 1. So this is the name. Okay. So I have to use this number here only, but I have to put and text. So what I will do, I will put here and text equal to in last of the here. So what I need to do, so I have to put suppose that here, suppose this is the name, so you have to put and texts, because you can see link is how it should appear here. So what I need to do, so here is link, this is the link, this is the link, and I will need one more column here. Suppose that and text equal to, right. So what I will show you how it will work. Yeah, so equal to, I need first cell this one, and then and operator, I need this and means and symbol, simple, no need to do anything. And then I have to use and again, and I have to use this one and text equal to 0, equal to simple. Okay, so you can see this is the, but I need some more name, so I will use and, but see one more issue is there. Yeah, good. So yeah, so what I will do, and text, I will add one more cell here, and suppose that this cell number P2 equal. So you can see what I saw here, this one. So okay, so what I will do, I will take copy this link and I will post here. So this one, what I will do, I will click here, so it will show Chandan because I put this one here, so I will put here. So you can see this is my name only. So but you have to put here hello Chandan. So what you need to do here, so you have to do here one more cell. Okay, so what you need to do, hello percentage 20 and percentage 20 sir. Good. So this you can see I have to add all cells in single column, single. So what you need to do, so here you can see, so what I did, but here I have to add, this one is for the cu2, so before c2 I have to add and no, and b2 and c2 and d2. So I made it. See how it is looking now. Chandan sir, click copy here and do post here. Now I will put here hello Chandan sir. You can see here. Okay, so how you can do in bulk. So things are going good. So which column and should be fixed, that will be there will be no change. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I have to fix this one. So what I need to do, I will go here and I will put, this is the b2. Where is b2? So here is a b2. So before b and after b, so I have to put dollar. C will be constant and d will be fixed. Okay, constant. And then which h1, so where is h1? So h1 here I have to fix it. Okay, so now what I need to do, I have to drag this one, dragged here. Okay, I missed it something, sorry. So I missed this to add. Okay, so I have to this, don't put this one, delete. Okay, so I missed this line F2. Okay, good, I think so. So what I will do, again I will drag here. It's okay, just hold on. I will use this one here. I will delete this link, this column, sorry. And what I need to here, this E, there is a E is not here. Okay, so E2 is there, I think so now, but again it's not repeating. So why? Because there is a blank. So I need to do again this fix. So dollar, dollar. Now it will be repeated here also. You can see now. Good. So what I will do now, I will make this, suppose that. So what you need to do, you have to suppose that thousands of number. So you will send suppose similar message. WhatsApp understand their AI system and they will block you. So what you need to do, you have to open Notepad. Notepad. So you have to do in terms of five in five group of batches. Okay. So I will do copy. So paste here. Good. Copy here again, and then I will paste in this number, this one. Okay, so this is the things, four numbers are there. So what is their message then again? So I need to paste this message. Okay, copy this message. This is the rough method I'm choosing. So I will click here. So here Chandan sir, I have to put here. So what you need to do, you have to copy this first time, copy, and again you open one notepad, or you have to make a separate place where your messages will be there. So here you can see there will be a message. You should have a one double enter, so you can, there will be a space. Okay, so now I'll copy this one. So I'll paste here, and I will paste enter. So this is the one place. Second I have to go again. So this is the first I made it. Second, made it. Third, made it. Four. Which are the things I did. Okay, so similar way you can do in bulk. Let me know if you have any issue. No need to do anything, just do in the make of batches, not in the all the system. All the system means like what you say, in good was, like suppose that you are sending in 60 messages in one, and there will be all similar messages. So there is a changes in all the messages. What changes are there? Suppose that hello Deepak sir, this is the changes in not hello Krishna sir, hello Rahul sir, hello Chandan sir. So there is changes. So WhatsApp AI system will see, no, they are sending a different messages. Let me know if you have no. And I'm sharing this Excel sheet also, so you can use this one with in your experiment. So what I will do, I will download this sheet now in Excel, and I will share with you the link, and you can use that. Let me know if you have finding any issues, so that I will share with you, and I will be there to help you. Yeah, thank you.